What if I told you you could increase your Etsy conversions with just one simple click? Hi, my name is Emily. Welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. I am a former educator and mom of two who grew her Etsy print-on-demand shop to multi-six figures in just a year. And now I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print-on-demand shops. Now, I know I told you you could increase conversions with just one click, and you can. How? By adding listing videos. Now, I know that might feel like a daunting task to add to your already growing to-do list as an Etsy seller. But what if I told you you could truly do it without adding any more work to your plate? And that's because I absolutely love using the listing video feature in my favorite listing tool, AnywherePOD. Etsy has told us that listings with videos have a higher purchase rate from customers. It creates an overall better purchasing experience. It allows your customers to really see what the product is. And if you've noticed now on Etsy, if a customer is hovering over your listing, it will automatically start playing that video. Buyers really want to get a better sense of your product. They want to see it from different angles. They want to be able to know exactly what they're getting, and listing videos can help enhance that experience for them when they are on your listing. And one of the best parts is that a lot of sellers are not using listing videos. So it gives you a little bit of an edge to stand out in a competitive market. Now, I do want to tell you, a listing video itself is not going to fix a listing. It's not going to all of a sudden get customers to purchase your product, but it is an added benefit. It adds buyer trust. It makes your listings look professional. So it really kind of gives it that polish that can help boost a listing. It won't fix one, but it really can help boost it. Now, the problem for me before was always time. I did not have time to sit there and create listing videos for every product. But I started using AnywherePOD about a year ago to create all of my listings because it allows me to seamlessly automate my mockups, to have product templates, to do custom personalization without the headache, and so much more. But one feature that I have loved since day one is the automatic video creation, because this just takes so much time typically. And with APOD's one-click video feature, it allows me to create those instantly. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, we're here in AnywherePOD. This is a product that I have created. You can see my mockups have already generated. I have my title, my description, my tags, everything in here. And I'm going to come down here and simply click generate video. Now, this is where the magic truly happens. At this point, I will select which mockups I want to be included in my video. So let's say I just want these four right here. I'll click save. And now AnywherePOD is going to generate my video. It'll keep you updated here with the status in this little yellow section here. And once it's ready, it'll let us know, and our listing will be complete and ready to push over to Etsy. All right, so now AnywherePOD is letting us know that our listing video is ready. I'll scroll down here and you can see that it is going to do a slideshow video of all of our mockups. And what I love so much about this is that it's simple. It also allows the customer to see all of the photos, see your product from a different angle. And as I mentioned, if they're on the Etsy website and they're hovering over your product, it allows them to see that product in a really easy way. This simple video hack has been a huge game changer in my shop, saving me so much time. Most Etsy sellers are underutilizing video. So by using AnywherePOD, which already helps save time with your mockups, with your listing creation, with personalization, and now with being able to do listing videos in one simple click, you will be able to have an optimized listing without all of the extra time spent on that. This feature really removes a big barrier for a lot of Etsy sellers who may not have the previous skills or experience to create listing videos, or maybe you don't want to use AI to create your listing videos. This is a great option for that, and one that I cannot recommend enough. Etsy wants us to use listing videos. So this one-click video creation is something I cannot live without. out. And next time you go to create your next listing, hopefully in AnywherePOD, you can use this feature to stand out amongst the Etsy crowd. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. Don't forget to post your comments or questions below so I can answer them in an upcoming video. And as always, hit like or subscribe if you'd like weekly Etsy tips and strategies without the overwhelm. I'm Emily. I'll see you next time.